Yes, Otunba Bola Odebiyi, BOT chairman. He was a past president of Epe Club, one of the founding members of Epe Club, an elder of the club. As a matter of fact, his membership number is 003, which means that he was one of those that muted the idea of Epe Club, which has been in existence for 50 years. Otunba Odebiyi, very gentle man, very amiable, very understanding. During his lifetime, it was difficult to really identify that he was up to 86 years old because he would mingle with us very well. He would flow with us. Even at the age, so old age, every activities of the club, he would participate in it up till late at night. So he was close to all of us, regardless of the age and the level at which we are. Very, very amiable, down to earth with everybody. He was a mentor to a lot of us. And I remember that there are so many members that he personally influenced to come and join the club. Most of us also joined the club because we see people like him in social life, even at their age, who spend their time to bring younger men close to them. And today we have a membership of over 200 from the initial 10 or 12 that they started with. So for somebody like that, we grieve that we are losing him. But what can we do? God gives life and God takes it. When it's time for everybody, they will leave. But most importantly is that his memory will continue to be with us and we will continue to celebrate him. Very good man. We would definitely miss him.